Hey, Lance97 here. A new plugin for me that is called the SpotPoint. This is a lightning plugin for HS2. Now, let me show you its main function. This is the UI of it. The main shortcut is F6, and you can find it here. You just type in spot, like you can see here. The F6 is its shortcut, and then there is a main window UI scale. They can scale the UI. Nothing else. This is just a reset window position. Okay, let's go. Its main function is to save the light. Only the light. It includes the directional light, spotlight, and point light. The three kind of light into the scene that can let you to storage the lightning pattern on a character. The way to use it is to first you create several light here, and you have your character here, and then you select all the light, holding control, remember, and the last one is selecting your character. As the instruction shows here, that select N lights, then select the anchor. The anchor means the character or the object, then save. It will save the relationship of all the light to the character. And you can see there is a Chinese word in there. Select several lights and then select the character or object. And then press the save light. You can see there it will save a PNG file which stores the relative transform position of the lights and this character. Now what it means is you can see there are several lights here. This is the point light, and this is the point light 2. You can see when I move it. And this is another point light. This is the directional light. Okay, when I rotate this, oh yeah, this is not open. When I rotate it, you can see that the light moves, the light changes. It will store all these 5 lights into the relationship into this PNG file, and the next time when you for example, if I hide this character and I create another one, create a default gore, and let me delete everything, just delete everything and create a default gore. Now you can see there is no light here, but when I select this gore and select the PNG file I saved, which have the 5 light position, I can click this load light. Now this lightning, you can see the blue and the main directional light as the main key light is they're all here. Now this only load the 5 light in the relationship according to the object or character you select. You can see this 5 light, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're all here. Another function is when I select this character. Oh, by the way, they can this PNG file that's saved here. It can you can show its folders here. You can rename its name. Like if I type BBB here, I can and click OK. Now its name is changed in the PNG file. Another function is once more I can expand the UI pressing this button. I can shrink it. Another function is that when I select this character and I can bind the light to it. For example, if I let's go back to this thing. Uh, let me give it. Let me give it an environment. This one. Or dim environment. If I select a light, a point light, like yeah, maybe this one. I select this point light and hold Control, select my character, and I hit this bind follow. It will light this. It will add this point light to the list of this character. And if now when I next time when I select this character, there's gonna be a point light in his list. You can see this is a character of this is the name of the character. And in the name, I can click this point light. It will show all the attribute here. I can change the intensity. I can change the range. And when I change the intensity, if this range is not enough, here is a function to change the biggest range of the maximum range. As you can see, I can change it to 111 and it will change accordingly. Like this. Let me put it back to 50 and maximum 50. And another thing is that you can very conveniently put this window to everywhere and control it on and off, and shadow or not. And the last thing is what I added is the spin, that is to light this point light to orbit around the character in the y-axis. Let me show you. You can see that this light. You can see this light. When I drag this bar, this light is rotating around this goal in the 360 degree. Now this is a very fast way to change the pattern, change the light and shadow in the character on this. And here is a button to show the gizmo or hide or not, something like. And because this light is now currently binded into the character, what it means is if I move the character, see if I move the character to this place, now every other the light here, they don't change their position, but this remember this position light, this point light, see it is following this character. See that this sphere is the point light when I move it. Now this sphere is this point light. See here it follows, and I can just move it like this, fastly change the pattern on the character. Now let's put them back to the position. Now the another function is that if I let me turn this a little bit lower, and if I click now here I only have a point light and directional light. If I create a spotlight here, spotlight like this. You can see when I select the spotlight, I can change its intensity and change its range like this. And I can select the spotlight and hit this button, spot follow main camera. What will happen? It will make the spotlight parented to your current camera and make it follow your current camera as a child object. Now if I increase this intensity to about 50 maybe, let me drag it. And range is not enough, this range is too low, like this. spot angle, maybe shrink it down. So you can, it means I can control the camera and make the camera as where the light direction shows through. I can just light up his backside, and then I click the stop follow, and then the see the spotlight. You see here, it will stop at that position, and if I click it again, it will another time follow the main camera. Now let me stop it here. Now spotlight will stop here. It's here, as you can see here. Now that's mainly all the functions. But remember, this this follow camera light, it only works for the spotlight, right? It only works for the spotlight, because the point light and the directional light, they don't need to follow the camera, because point light is defined by the range, and the directional light is defined by the direction. So they don't have the function of follow the main camera. Only the spotlight has this function. That is, click the spotlight, click the spotlight follow camera. Before, remember to stop it where you want to stop, where you want it to stop. That's it. And this area is all the I call it, each time you save some light, this is I call it a light preset. It will save in a PNG file and list it here, and these are just as folders of it. It will list every light preset in a PNG file, and you can change the folders. It can read all the subfolders in this root folder. The root folder is at the config bpnex config.com/97 SpotPoint. Yes, the SpotPoint is my plugin name. That's it.